Hi friends, this is Tina. Today we are going to introduce you PCBA for medical device. Medical device give in variety when it comes to size and technology. This PCB you see now is for ventilator. PCB is 8 layer. There are so many famous brand chip. Also sensor, which is in short supply. POE have reliable supply chain to find the stock as possible as we can. In pursuit of high standard, POE have IPC 13485 2016 standard. Standardization is vital for printed circuits for the right products, and our extensive experience will just provide you just like that. We have tested the PCB with AOI and X-ray machine. All the efforts we do is to deliver the qualified products to our clients. POE will always provide satisfied service and flexible for medical device printed circuits.